A pool is a great attraction to any home, but if it's dirty or green, not so much. Fortunately, pool care doesn't have to be a hack. And at Builders, there's a wide range of products and services to help you get it done.
If you have a pool near trees, leaves can get into your pool, blocking up your filter and putting strain in your pump. You need to clean these leaves before they sink to the bottom. But what a hack!
Luckily, pool skimmers like this one from Chem make a huge difference skimming the leaves off the surface so you don't have to. The skimmer easily connects to your direction output fitting, automatically skimming leaves and debris off the surface of the water before it can sink to the bottom. Installation and assembly is easy. Simply follow the instructions on the package. The skimmer will use the flow of water to trap the leaves and debris in the net. And with the flexible hose, you don't have to worry about adjusting to the water level.
This is one of the many pool skimmers available at Builders. For more information, visit our Builders website or follow our YouTube channel.